Today's my English chat, May 20th, 2020, and today's my practice is as follow. About English, I read news articles and watched some videos, academic videos that are spoken in English, and also studied terminology by using IELTS textbooks. And today, what I did for studying abroad was yeah, I organize what to do, my to-do list, and it seems that I still have to do a couple of things about my insurance and mobile phone. And there are a little bit complicated, but things are getting better, I think. Yeah, I'm moving forward. And about UI UX, I studied design principles and yeah, a little bit practice. And about programming, I studied JavaScript, mainly React and Redux. Redux is a little bit difficult for me. And today, I want to talk about Notion. Notion is web services and also an application, and that mainly takes a note. Like kind of imagine like a Evernote or some kind of Dropbox paper. uh, one of the feature is it includes a lot of functions. It can not only like take a note but also include a tables or cells or yeah, it includes multiple function, and what they look, you mean its design is brilliant, and it's simple and clear, but it includes a lot of function. And you can make some kind of schedule. You can make some to-do list with including priority. It's very great services, and I might introduce or talk about these services before. Maybe I don't know, but several months ago, maybe. I think more than 6 months ago, I think. But I want to talk about this again because recently the Notion becomes free. Uh, you mean more specifically, uh, the free plan was expanded. I mean, Notion has a free plan, but it was only for individual. And when you use a free plan, there's a limitation, uh, like about the size. Like you only can. There's a limitation about how. They say it blocks, but this it means like kind of amount of the words or amount of the cells in the notes. And there is a restriction like you can only create a words or notes or memos at most something like at most 1000. But this time recently it becomes free, like no there as long as you use as a personal or individual, and there is no more limitation about the plan. So it becomes the free plan becomes more. Uh, you mean the free as long as you use as an individual, and there is no limitation about free plan, and that's brilliant. So yeah, I I was really glad to hear about this updates. And it's very good to organize your idea, and it's very good to grasp what you have to do to you like creating to-do lists, to creating schedule, and creating a reminder. It's great, brilliant web services, and also it has a desktop applications, and you can also use and mobile phone. That's also a great point of this service. And that's all. Thank you for watching.